Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to download maps to use offline on iPhone. You can download Apple Maps for offline use in 3 ways. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is search for the location. This is the quickest way. If you know the name of the place or city whose map you wanted to download, open Maps app on your iPhone. In the search bar type the name of the city or place. Tap on the location result, then look for the download button. If you don't see the download button, tap on more and select download map. A map preview will appear highlighting the area that will be saved. If needed, zoom or drag the preview area to capture the exact region you want. You will also see a storage space your iPhone will take to save your map. Then tap on download to save the map. This method is great for larger areas like cities that you want to explore or navigate without needing to download each location individually. And you are done. And the next step is drop a pin. If you have already looking at a map and you want to download that specific area, dropping a pin is a quick way to start downloading. For this, open Maps and zoom into the area you want. Then press and hold onto any marked part of the map to drop a pin. A pop-up will appear with information about that location. You can save your location, adjust the map area if needed, and then tap download to save the offline map. And you are done. And the next step is from the settings. This method is helpful if you prefer to manage all of your offline maps in one place. For this, open the Maps app. And then tap on your avatar beside the search box. And then tap on offline maps. Then tap on download new map. Download new map option in Apple Maps app to download a map. Use the search feature to find the area you need to or select current location. By default, the iPhone will suggest the area of your home. Adjust the highlighted map region and tap download to confirm. Saving offline map from settings keeps everything organized so you can easily see what maps you have saved and manage storage. And you are done. I hope this video will help you how to download maps to use offline on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.